I was getting all these single-use plastic utensils every day when I would go out to lunch, and I hated it every time. It conflicted with my values, and I wished that I had something that was so small that I didn't even feel like I was carrying it. And so I thought, well, what if you just had that in your wallet?
It is called GoSun Flatware. It's really cool.
It's reusable cutlery and it's so compact. It's just as powerful as like a regular fork.
It's dishwasher safe, super easy to use, and I never forget it because I just leave it in my purse.
The best part is it's completely eco-friendly and reusable.
So if you care about the environment and you don't want to use single-use plastic.
Flatware by GoSun. Can't leave home without it.
I think it's awesome. It fits in my pocket. It's just right here, ready to eat. You got your metal straws. I got my metal utensils.
Yeah, it's really good. I like it.
That's awesome. Wow.
Noodles, that can be a challenge sometimes.
That can be a challenge. But this has
Something
got
that
the grass.
chopsticks can't do.
Look at that. You can get literally all of it.
Wow.
Bon appetit. Right, there you go.
That is awesome.
That's awesome.
Oh yeah. Look at how strong and resilient. I would totally carry one of these every day. So small. I could see myself using this. Really handy camping or traveling. Yeah, it's good. I'm a pretty big eater, so I like to, get a lot on my fork. That worked.
And the utensils are just right there, stored, ready to go when I need to eat. Like it's amazing. It's flat. It's totally flat. Like
You can
it's only
literally
3
fit that in your
credit cards.
pocket. A lot sturdier than I thought. I got a whole bite there. Just to throw my flatware right in there. Adds no size of my wallet. Not that much heavier at all, and it still fits right in my pocket. Look at that.
How's it feel in your hands?
It's awesome. It's just like a thicker normal fork.
Yeah.
I mean, I like it. It's like, woo! It's giving me that strength to fit all that chili on there.
Plate in, but you can fit that dog's face in there. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Patrick.
How's it going, guys? So I just wanted to show you something super quickly. It's something I literally cannot leave my house without, and that's Flatware by GoSun. It's this little thing right here, just about as big as a credit card, fits in your wallet. And I've been doing some research, guys. See, look, the thing is we've been littering the planet, okay? Plastic forks, plastic spoons, plastic knives, literally everywhere, and I just had enough of it, okay? So I went and got this. Again, Flatware by GoSun. Comes with both a fork and a spoon. Here's the fork side that I'm gonna use for this beautiful salad here. Snaps right into place, okay? So you have all the sturdiness of a regular, fork. The other side I do wanna show you really quickly before I take a bite is the spoon side. Now, I did have the question, I was like, how are they gonna make a spoon flat, because I was looking at it online before I bought it a few weeks ago. And they did the greatest job I could ever imagine. So same thing, it kind of just slides up into place there, locks right into place. And I'm gonna set this on the side here so I can take a bite. I just want a nice little bite here, put a little dressing. And as you can see, as I'm taking a bite of the salad, right, it's just as sturdy as a regular fork. Literally can't leave home without it. Delicioso. As soon as you're done, you just pinch these together, you slide it right down in, and you put it right back in the little pack. Again, about the same size as a credit card holder. It fits right in your wallet. Flatware by GoSun. Can't leave home without it.
You know when you're headed out for lunch, and even though you care about the environment, it's easy to find yourself reaching for another set of wasteful plastic cutlery.
Stop! We're killing ourselves and the planet with this crap. The world is moving away from single-use plastic, and I need you to be a part of that.
This is GoSun Flatware. It's the world's first credit card-sized cutlery set, and with it, you'll never have to throw away single-use plastic again. When you're headed out, if you can remember your wallet, you'll remember your flatware. Plastic is a burden on the environment, and it's disrupting our health. Every day, enough plastic utensils get used to fill 3,000 garbage trucks. There are a lot of cutlery sets out there, but none of them fit in your pocket, and they make everything dirty if you don't clean them up properly. GoSun Flatware is simple. Just pop it out of its case, slide the utensil out, and lock it in place. When finished eating, it slips back into a hygienic case, protecting you and it from unwanted dirt or grease. Made of 301 stainless steel, GoSun Flatware is safe, easy to clean, and lasts forever. GoSun makes products to help you access a more resilient and healthy lifestyle. Join us, and together we can get rid of single-use plastics.